Hello guys, welcome back to my new video guys. In today's new welcome video guys, I will actually show you how to create a Digistore account in Nigeria in 2022 right now without wasting your time. So guys, if you are new to this channel online hustle, please head over to YouTube and search for online hustle. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this guys. So let's move into the video guys straight without wasting your time. So guys, I will actually show you the step by step on actually how to create a Digistore account. As you can see in my video guys, last time I actually show you guys how to create a clickbank in ban country. I just dropped it yesterday, so guys go and watch it. So guys, let me go into my Jamboard guys and show you how exactly to create a Digistore account 24. So the first thing that we need is currently a VPN. The VPN that we are going to use in order to access other country guys. So guys, after the VPN we need a fake address generator which is gonna give us the information that we can be able to fill, and the information that we may need may be a US information and etc. Guys, there are websites that can give us that, or you can just head over to Google and search for fake name or fake ID generator. You can be able to see them. Just fake is generator. Just you can search it, so you can see a random and other just name generator. So guys, we are not to head over just right now to be searching. So now we are to move to step one, which is actually getting a VPN. So guys, if you are watching my videos guys, you can see that in this video clickbank account I actually show you guys how to get a working what should I even call it, VPN, that you can be able to create all those accounts with it. All the accounts that are not allowed in your country or one country, you can be able to create it. So this VPN are called tunnel bear. Just search on it. So actually you will see that. Just head over to download or tunnel bear or click on this. So guys, just head over to tunnelbear.com and start for now if you don't have an account. So me right now I have an account. Just I will just this is the logo of it if you have already installed it. So me, I will just click on connect. So boom, right now I'm connected to internet or to the United States. In order for me to make sure that these are actually connecting me to the internet, I will just head over to world.net. So let's go and search for our IP address in order to make sure that we are connected to the United States. So while loading, so boom, you can see that our IP has changed and you can see the logo of United States. That means we are ready to go. Our IP now connected or converted to the United States. So the first thing that you need to do, I told you, we get a VPN and then we get a fake name generator. We are going to use any one of these websites. So right now we have to go to Digistore24 itself in order to create an account. So be with me step by step. So guys, if you have gained something, please head over to YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave us a like. Please don't forget for more videos like this guys. So let's go back to our video. So the first thing that the website we are going to go back right now is what the Digistore24. So just click on enter. So right now, as you can see, we are on Digistore while it's loading. So boom, you can see that it's actually open. So you know what, some they know, some they don't know. So Digistore is like clickbank affiliate marketing, where you can be able to get a product. When you get a product, promote it, copy your affiliate link and share it wherever you want, whether through ads or through your social media and other tools still. So here is the first uh, page to show you. Here is their first looking face. Here is the how the looks website look like. So let's move to the where they say start now for free, or you can be able to register. So while it is loading guys, so boom, you can see that you can repeat from Digistore24 too. So right now we are to fill our information. Here is the first look. Here is how you can fill your information so that they will create account for you, or you can create account. So the first thing you need is to choose a username. Let's say we have to go with John David 002. So let's just use this one. Here is the affiliate link, that product ID and etc, how the affiliate link look like. So you can be able to use even fake email. So let's find something here. Let's click on this one. You have to use this random name generator. So boom, you can see that here are all the information about this person. Here is male, first name Bob, middle name Cecil, and last name Beck. So here are all the information that you will need. Oh, we can be able to use some. So let's go with this one. So the all what we need is, let's go back to this 224. Let's put, or let's use fake email. Address, let's use this one, or we can use temp mail. So it's all the same. So let's use temp mail. So boom, you can see the pop-up. So we have to click this one, next, this one, and verify. So boom, we are in temp mail right now. So guys, we are just to wait until the email have they load us to copy. So boom, they give us this one. We have to copy, then go back to our Digistore24 on Control V, paste it, then repeat, Control V. So boom, right now we have to choose a password that we need. So let me choose this one. So let me repeat. So guys, put the password that you remember, so that once you are sign off, or maybe, so let me still I can just leave it like that. So you see our VPN is working. It's in New York Eastern time. So let's go to the next. This title, extra title, we'll just leave it blank. So let's use this name, the first name, and go back to Digistore and Control V. Last name, let's go to here and see, so, and go back to Digistore24, Control V. Company, leave it blank if you like. Street, let's go back to random email generator. So street. So I cannot find it here, but let me research, because I never use this website to find the address. But let's go up. Let's just see street address, just New York, number 11, zip code, let's see, you cannot find, or you can be able to just Google it, see New York, zip code. there. So boom, you can see that we can now copy to 1001. So let's go back to Digistore and see more. So city, New York. So let me find address in New York, because this one that we add is just a fake, because I don't know, that's why I just add it. New York address. So just let's put it. So let's click on this one in order to see other addresses that are under New York, guys. So boom, you can see that the addresses. Copper Street. Let's just copy this one, Control C, and go back to our Digistore account. Control V. So boom, you can see we have full estate. Just say New York. So country, United States. Phone, you can copy a random one, or you can just see fake maybe generate through Google in order to find a good one, because this one that you are using doesn't give us much information. Boom, you can see font. You can be able to copy this and Control V, and don't forget to put 1 here, or I should say +1, guys, because we are using the count, or we are using enter is +1, yes, +1. So boom, we are going to go. So Skype, ID or Telegram, you can leave it blank. Control say I'm ready to register, I agree. You can head over and read if you like, but I know most people doesn't undergo and then click register for free. So we are free to go right now. So while it's loading, so boom, you can see that it's a your account has been successfully created. Please take a look at your email and locate the email that we just sent you at this email. And this email, click activate your link. So actually we will go back to our terminal that we just copy, and then scroll down. You can see this email, then click on it. So boom, here is the email that they say just open a new tab. So here is the window that, or the link that we just often while it's loading. So boom, we are just to, I will actually put the password that I will. So guys, don't forget to create the password that you are going to remember, because this thing is very important. So boom, you can see that we have actually successfully create our account, guys. So let me go back and copy this email, because it's the email that we just create. So Control V, so login. While it's loading, guys. So I think I made a mistake, so let me put my password again. So boom, let's click login again while it is loading. So boom, you can see that see one time. So boom, guys, you can see that we are in our dashboard Digistore account 24. We can be able now to promote our affiliate links and etc., to find our product and etc. So guys, here is actually the step-by-step, guys, on how to create a Digistore24 account, guys. So guys, if you want to well, let me show you the proof of it's actually opening. So let's go to affiliate in order for us to or for me to show you it actually running. So let's go to marketplace and find our product or find the product. So you can see that everything is looking fine. We just create a fresh new account. So that's these are the step maybe some people are getting. I will show you in the next time in our next video on how to solve all this issue, this one and this one and this one. So let's go to marketplace right now and just to show you the work of this is new fresh account is working perfectly. So guys, so boom, you can see that Mexico 150 here is our marketplace guys. You can be able to promote. Let's click on promote. The product manufacturer will promote it, process your request for an affiliate partnership. Please allow 2 business days for this clause. Okay, so let's click on promote another. So boom, you can see that here is our affiliate link guys. Let's copy it and open a new tab and Ctrl V, paste the link in order for us to see that it's actually working perfect guys. So boom, here is the affiliate link guys, or our affiliate link that we just copy in Digistore24 guys. Here you can see the affiliate link. So let's go back to our Digistore24. So guys, here is the actually video, or I should say tutorial or course on how to create a Digistore account 24 guys. So guys, if you have make or have learned something in this video guys, head over to Online Hustle YT. Please subscribe to our channel, support us guys, love your voice, show love to your boys guys. Thank you for more and more guys. Thank you for giving me your time and explaining this to you guys. Thanks. So catch up in the next video on how to create a 1 week plus account guys. I will actually show you the method or many things that people are no longer showing you guys. So catch up in the next video guys. Show love to your boy guys, Online Hustle YT. Catch up in the next video.